first order of business today, we're going to set up. Jennifer's got some devotions that have come to her that would be really cool for Christmas. So we're going to get set up for that. She's all festive looking over there for her. And this is the part that we didn't get to show on our Christmas decorations. She's added to them. So it's looking all nice in here, all Christmas-like, the way you like it, huh, hon?
Matt even said that he likes it. He goes, we should actually, I guess he was thinking furniture-wise, because he liked the fact that we have more room in the dining area again.
Got to set up the lights down here, and I'm going to set up a set. We're doing it in the house. We didn't find a location out there, so we're just going to go ahead and do it in the house here, which is not our typical way of doing the videos, but we're doing something a little different today. So let's get this set up so Jennifer can share those inspirational devotions for the Christmas season. You helping? You're a good helper, aren't you? 1,000 watts each.
I hope you're encouraged today that as God calls us to be the church, that we would be the church that shows His unconditional, supernatural love to a world who desperately needs it.
Okay, I think we got a couple of the 2 of the 4 episodes shot, but check this out. Here's the set that we got set up here. I'll give you a little behind the scenes look at it. There you have it. That's our professional setup on the budget route. And Matt's allowed to come out of his room again. See, so over here, there's the talent right there. And her cool card right there that speaks of what her devotions are. Back here, be backstage. We've got the backlight, getting her that nice lit hair look.
Yeah, it's
couple of softbox lights. Camera number 2 right there. This is where camera 1 goes. It's not there right now because I am using it. And there's Matt.
Hi,
he was in charge of the cats in his room, except for Mama Skittle was being pretty good right here. She's doing pretty good.
Yeah, I'm making a video today.
All right.
Alright, should we let them release the hounds?
I guess so.
Release the pride, maybe?
They're being released. Here they come.
4 and 5.
They're all, hey, where's our food? It's dinner time. That's what Polar Bear's saying. Right, Polly?
Okay, so
he's going backstage.
Time to take this down?
Time to take it down.
Okay.
We've been invited to a big bonfire Christmas carol sing out here. And our friend Ben over there, Santa hat, invited us over here to his kid's place, and apparently 100 people or more show up here every year for the bonfire Christmas carols, and the bonfire is getting pretty bonfire right now. Matt's got his friend Elijah with him.
So Joseph also went up from the town of Nazareth in Galilee to Judea, to Bethlehem, the town of David, because he belonged to the house and line of David. He went there to register with Mary, who was pledged to be married to him and was expecting a child. While they were there, the time came for the baby to be born, and she gave birth to her firstborn, a son. She wrapped him in clothes and placed him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn.
All right, so this was pretty fun. What'd you think, hon?
Yeah, it was great. Lots of Christmas carols and catching up with friends from our table, from our Bible study.
Bible study, yeah. All right, so I think that's going to be it for tonight.
Yeah, actually we came out 3, now we're going home 4.
Yeah, Matt's bringing his friend home. All right, God bless you guys. We'll see you on the next video.